Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at another student app. This one's called Sokoban. It's created by one of my grade 11 students. It was created actually last year. He's in grade 12 right now. His name is Steven E. Did a fantastic job, I think. So he's got a whole bunch of levels here. The beginner level, you've got microband. So you've got, something nice and small here. And then if you go all the way down, a whole bunch of levels. This is a bit more complex. You could use these arrows to go up and down, left and right, and then you could use this to kind of pan through the view, and then this will, so if I moved here, this kind of goes back in terms of the move. So and then he's got obviously harder levels here. I won't even attempt to try these levels, but these levels are wicked hard. As you could tell, they're very, very big. Let's go to something simpler. Let's go, yeah, this is fine, I guess. Let's give this a try here. See, even with something as simple as this, it's a little tricky, because if you do the wrong move, and I'm thinking here, if you do the wrong move, you kind of get stuck, to be honest, and you don't want to get stuck in this game. Obviously, if you do get stuck, you could go back. But I mean, it's embarrassing. I'm the teacher. I'm not supposed to get stuck, I guess. No, see, I want to do that first. I almost made a mistake there. You want to do this first. This is an easy level. But obviously the harder levels take a while to play. But I think this is really cool, actually. And there we go. Done. So I finished that level. So if we go back to level 7, well, now it's not done anymore, but I finished it. As soon as you finish it, you automatically go to the next level. Maybe he could have put like an alert saying good job or something like that. But anyways, pretty cool app, I think. Sokoban got a whole bunch of maps here. And yeah, I think it was an excellent app. And this was a project in grade 11, ICS 3U1. If you're not familiar, that's an Ontario course code. I think Steven did a fantastic job. Good job, Steven. And thank you for watching. I'll put the link in the description for the GitHub. If you want to download it and check it out, feel free to do so. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.